Today on the Recipe Rebel, we are making easy orange chicken. It's a reader favorite for a good reason. We're gonna start by adding some cornstarch, salt and pepper to our cut up chicken. We're gonna stir it around to give it a good coat. We're gonna add a bit of oil to our pan and cook our chicken on medium-high heat until just browned on the outside. Coating the chicken in the cornstarch mixture is gonna give it a nice crispy skin without having to fry it. Now it's time to make our sauce. We're gonna add some chicken broth, orange marmalade, unsweetened orange juice, soy sauce, garlic, ginger, vinegar, cornstarch, and just a pinch of red chili flakes. If you like it extra spicy, add an extra one. Now we're just gonna pour our sauce over our chicken in the pan and cook it over medium heat until it's nice and thick.